In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Google Photos. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your Google Photos application, and here you got all your photos. And now if I want to delete some, I need just tap on that photo, and after that tap here at the bottom right on trash icon and then confirm that action. Also, I can tap and hold on some image or video right there and then multi-select some images in that way and then delete all of them in one click just by tapping here on delete button and confirming that action. And now if I go to library and if I'll tap on that bin icon, here I will get all the images that was recently deleted. And also you need to know that items will be permanently deleted from the bin after 60 days. If you want to delete items from here right now, you can do in the same way. Tap on the image, tap on delete and also confirm action, and also here you are able to restore that image and you can multi-delete images. Tap here on select some images you want to delete right now and tap to delete. So that's how it works. Make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe on my channel.